Welcome to KTN Business. Let's take a look at what's making headlines tonight. And we stay on our top story, that is Kenya has received a new loan facility from the International Monetary Fund worth 262.71 billion shillings. This will be going towards boosting Kenya's economic recovery for the next 3 years. The loan facility is expected to stabilize and begin reducing the country's debt levels. The new loan raises Kenya's total debt to 967 billion shillings. The IMF in its statement says the loan is part of the extended credit facility. The staff level agreement is subject to IMF management approval and executive board consideration, expected to convene and make a decision in the coming weeks. The IMF in its statement acknowledges Kenya's economy is well anchored to rebound at a rate of 7.6% following the easing of Covid-19 containment measures as well as reopening of schools. Separately, Kenya is planning to raise another Eurobond worth 127 billion shillings. Well, quite concerning and at the same time exciting news for the country. We'll continue to discuss this as Ken Mijungu promised after the show. Well, let's go on with some more stories.